Hey there! I'm gonna show you how to make the best juice with this juicer. Now let me unpack it and then we're gonna juice out and pineapple. So let's go ahead. So it does have a manual right here and it does show how to use it. So right out from the package, it's very well packaged. Let me take it out like this. Here's everything it has. So it also has a brush for easy cleaning. Now let me rinse it really quick and then we'll get started. So I just rinsed them all. Now let's assemble it and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I plugged this in the main machine and right here. So you grab the main piece, the bottom, and it does show how to unlock it, unlock it. You're just gonna, okay, and that's it. It's locked, as you can see. Now grab this piece and find this white line. So the white line will sit on the unlock and you're gonna turn it to the lock. So that's it. Very well secured. Now next step is very easy. So this is, you're gonna push it from right here. And here are 2 cups. One is gonna be juice and the other one is gonna be residue from the vegetable or fruit you're gonna put. Okay, let's get started. So I'll take this out and I have my pineapples right here. So just gonna put it right there. When you start it, you have to put this on top so it does not just explode from the top. Now, as you can see, the juice is coming out from here, and this is the residue coming out. Alrighty, this is done. So this is the residue that came out. I did a little piece of pineapple, like less than 1/4 of the pineapple. And this is what came out. And here is the juice. I'm obsessed with this. So good.